Hey Mike, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that would be anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see about 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you all the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for furniture. So my suggestion with your website would definitely be to get some more content added onto your homepage. We want to appease Google with those 1,500 words so they will rank your site. But also, as I had mentioned earlier, those keywords are also a key component and they truly help out a tremendous amount when you're trying to get ranked. So we'll move on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. And I just did a quick search, and this is typically the first thing you'll see when you search. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here. So moving along to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other furniture companies that send something back to your site, and that will signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful and unique in Google's eyes as well. And this is a tool that I use here just so I can give you a visual representation. So it's showing that currently your site has 224 referring domains, which are giving it a little over 2,000 backlinks, getting you found for 905 keywords, and all of this is driving about 144 people to your site per month. And now here's one of the top competitors. So they have 567 referring domains, which are giving them 5.48 thousand backlinks, getting them found for a little over 25,000 keywords, and all of that is driving about 23,000 people to their site per month. So let's see if we can take a look at the keywords that they're using, just so we can kind of get some ideas here. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So that's going to be anything that someone would think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for furniture. So obviously this company is ranking for their business name, which is not surprising. But let's see what else they've got here. So here's a perfect one, furniture stores in Asheboro, NC. This is a perfect one because it's listing the product or service or industry, and then it's listing the specific location that this company is trying to target. And you can target multiple different locations, which it looks like that is what they're doing because they probably have multiple locations. But if you are just a one location store, you want to make sure, of course, that you're targeting areas within your service area. That way, when somebody comes across you in the search results, they're able to still actually physically go to your store because it is close enough to them. And I will not bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that this at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things you would want to integrate into your content. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we spoke about earlier as well, always making sure that you're adding on to that. That way you're far surpassing your competitors, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Mike. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you'd like more information about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and you have a fantastic rest of your day.